This is what I'm doing. I'm putting Nutella in here like this, and I'm gonna roll it around my cone. This is gonna be so fattening and so sugary, but that's how I'm doing it.
I'm so happy.
All right. So now I'm gonna add some marshmallow.
Oh my god.
And I got some strawberries here.
Strawberries are gonna change.
And then I'm gonna add some of these. These are chocolate chips. And then I got some butterscotch.
Wait, what does it taste like?
And I have a spoon here so I can push it in. Push it down. And then I'm gonna cut up a banana.
This is all goodies.
Okay. Let me use a spoon.
That looks so good.
Then I'm gonna get a scoop of peanut butter.
So it's right, you gotta keep the glue on top.
And this is what I do. I take the peanut butter and I coat the top. And then I get some tin foil.
How long does it have to cook?
Till it gets a little soft.
Can't wait,
So maybe like between 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot the fire is. So mix them however you want.
I'm doing it the same way you did it because that looks good.
Okay.
But I'm probably gonna put more Nutella.
Okay. And I'm gonna cut up more banana now that you guys are starting to